Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide products mockups. For example, business email newsletter templates, cartridge mockups, exclusive packaging mockups, flare paper A4 mockups, and frame horizontal mockups, hanging money board mockups, huge billboard building mockups, ID card mockups, kit mannequin with safety vest and helmet mockup, paper mockup, and phone and tablet mockup. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any layer. For example, I want to replace a photo or poster here. Simply open your photo that you want to replace. And press enter. Control S to save. Now you see your photo or poster replace here. Same like it, you can edit any of this file. For example, I open it and just double click here. Now delete this all and replace your photo or poster that you want to replace. Again, replace your photo or poster that you want to replace. Adjust it. Then press enter and then press Ctrl S to save. Now you see your photo or poster that you want to replace here. Same like it, you can edit any of this file. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you.